Hello guys, welcome back to our channel. If you need a billing statement from Metro by T-Mobile for records, verification, or simply checking account details, you might be wondering where to actually find it. Sometimes people search through account settings and still cannot figure out where statements are stored, while others are unsure whether they need the app, website, or account login to access everything. Since account options can look different depending on how you manage service, finding the right section may feel a little confusing at first. The good part is that getting a billing statement from Metro by T-Mobile usually only takes a few moments once you know where to look. Let's walk through an easy way to find it. Try these. Step 1. Open the official app or website connected to the Metro by T-Mobile account and sign in normally. Step 2. Go to the account section linked with the Metro by T-Mobile service to view billing details. Step 3. Open payment or billing history inside the Metro by T-Mobile account settings. Step 4. Select the statement option connected to the Metro by T-Mobile account if available. Step 5. Open or save the billing statement from the Metro by T-Mobile. Step 6. Review the Metro by T-Mobile billing statement.